If disaster strikes tomorrow, would your family be ready for it? Emergencies are often unexpected, and you may be required to act quickly. Imagine if there was an earthquake in our community, or even a flood. You will likely be without water or electricity. You may even be asked to evacuate your home. It is essential that you're able to provide your family with necessities for at least 72 hours during an emergency. An easy-to-find, pre-stocked emergency kit will ensure you're able to focus on receiving important instructions and taking appropriate action to keep your family safe. Now, what should go in the kit? How do you know what you'll need? During an emergency, you may not have access to basic services like water, gas, and electricity. You may even have difficulty accessing cash. When these services aren't available, you'll be able to rely on your emergency kit to provide you with what you need. For starters, make sure to gather enough water for your family. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 2 liters per person per day. Choose small bottles that are easy to carry. Now that you have water, you'll also need food. Select non-perishables and packaged items that won't soon expire. These items are often canned, so packing a manual can opener is just as important. This is a great time to consider pet food or baby formula if needed. Remember, if the power goes out, a battery-powered flashlight and radio will be your best friend. Don't forget to pack extra batteries. In an emergency, it may be difficult to access a bank for cash, so make an extra trip to the bank now. Small bills and change will be helpful as cash registers may not work. No emergency kit would be complete without a first aid kit with the basics like bandages, antiseptic, and pain reliever. You can even purchase a pre-stocked one. This is a great time to consider members of the family that have special needs. Eyeglasses, mobility aids, and prescription medication should all go in the kit. You probably have important documents, and copies of these should be included, like birth certificates, wills, passports, and insurance policies. Add a copy of your family's emergency plan and emergency contact numbers. It makes it easier when everything you need is kept in the same place. Remember, it's your responsibility to start thinking about your family's specific needs and to start gathering the supplies to provide for your family for at least 72 hours during an emergency. It may seem like a lot, and it is. So the next time you're doing errands, start to consider additional items for your kit. Having a family emergency kit is part of being a responsible community member. It's an easy way to prepare your family for the unpredictable. For more information, visit getprepared.gc.ca.